Hello everyone, Papa Blue Shirt here. Decided to try going in the morning now because getting in the 90s in the evening, and I didn't know how the traffic would be. But so far, hasn't been hardly any traffic, so whole lot cooler in the morning. So I guess that's why people ride in the morning, huh? Anyways, sun's not as bright on you. And when I go down some of these back roads, the road is completely shaded, so it really helps. So I'm gonna do this for a while, at least until it starts getting too cool in the morning. Here's some of the nice country road. I call this my tree tunnel, because on a hot day, boy, it's 15 or 20 degrees cooler in here, and the sun's not out here very much at all. See how it is here. You know, we used to go to parks a lot, but we kind of live in a park. And got some really nice places to ride. Boy, it's about 10 or 15 degrees cooler down here. Sure is. Really nice area. The turnaround area there. Just about reaching my halfway point. Still half a mile probably. As you can see, nice and beautiful. Hardly any cars. Oh yeah. Beautiful day in the Midwest. Other than some big rocks in the road. Right to the top of that hill, and then I turn around. So I turned around and headed back the other way. So we'll have 18 when we're done today, unless I decide to take an offshoot somewhere. Oh, what's this in the road here? Turtle. Turtle in the road there. And most of the trail, most of the road is in the shade for most of the part. A good half of it anyways. But now the sun's at my back, so it feels better. Neat watching all this stuff grow. Some soybeans up there. And this corn here was just a little dinky thing the other day. It's like corn that can grow a foot in just a day or two. Love to buy some of our vegetables from over there. Really good prices and really good vegetables. I like to support other communities when I can. Amish people live there, and we bought all our plants from a garden there, and we've been buying our produce there. So that's kind of neat. mailbox up there. The sun shines off it, and I always think it's a car. Okay, I'm back in the tree tunnel again. Going the other way. You can see how dark it is. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, I think. But no matter what time of day, almost, it's pretty much in the shade. I really like coming here now. Wish I could find a place that had this kind of road all the way. Have to go to a park for that, I guess. And then we're in the Amish country. Got a little sign. Yeah, I went 13 miles so far. Seen a few cars, but not much. A lot less than I usually see. So I left the girls up here on the road that they like, the brand new blacktop road, and they ride back and forth. There's no houses on it, just a few houses, and there ain't no dogs. So they like to ride that one. But we'll see if they stayed out the whole time or if they headed back to the house. So we'll see here. Yeah, so far I don't see them. But they could be at the other end. So we'll see. But the dogs at the other end, they don't like. There they are. They don't like to go through without me being there. So there they are. There's Mom all dressed up in her coat. She gets so cold since she lost weight. It's funny. People look at her like she lost her mind. I think it'll be 80 degrees out. She'll be out in a sweatshirt. Sometimes a coat. But she says she just gets cold since she lost all her weight. So if you're cold, you're cold, right? You just put something on till you get warm. And that's what she does. But they stayed. I thought maybe they would get tired of going back and forth, and because they probably went 3 or 4 times back and forth on this road. It's only like 2.5 miles long, I think. Yeah, it's almost 75 out here.
I rode 15 miles this morning.
15 miles.
Yeah, what'd you do?
Almost 18.
Yeah, I knew you got probably 3 more than us because we didn't go real fast. I said that way Dad will catch up to us.
How many times do you have to go back and forth on that road?
3.5.
3.5.
If you count the first time.
Did you have very many cars?
4.
Okay.
And a motorcycle.
All right, this is Papa Blue Shirt. And remember, if you chose a different kind of bike, you chose poorly.